let's look at the multiplication of fractions on the number line. So our first problem is 3/4 of 1/6. Three quarters of 1/6. Another way we can word this is 3/4 of the distance to 1/6. Alright, so our first step is to sketch our number line. Then we're gonna divide our number line into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 equal parts. Now we're gonna label each part. So this is 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, and this can be reduced as well as this fraction, as well as this fraction and this fraction. However, we won't be reducing them. I labeled each stroke so that you have a better understanding of the process. Good. So the problem states that 3/4 of the distance to 1/6. So now we have to find 3/4 of the distance to 1/6. And here we have 1/6. So now we are going to divide this section into 4 equal parts. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And we need to find 3/4 of the distance to 1/6. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So this is 3/4. Good. So now that that is established, we have to divide the rest of the sections into 4 equal parts. So we divide this section, this section, this section, this section, and this section. Now we're going to count starting at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to count all of the strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 strokes in all. So this is our answer. However, it can be reduced. So we are going to reduce it. 3 into 3, 1 times. 3 into 24 goes 8 times. Therefore, 3/4 of the distance to 1/6 is 1/8, or 3/4 times 1/6 is 1/8. Now, let's look at the reverse of that problem. 1/6 of 3/4, or we could say 1/6 of the distance to 3/4. So first, let's sketch our number line. And we are going to divide this number line into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So now we're going to identify 3/4 on our number line. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So this is 3/4. So we need to find 1/6 of the distance to 3/4. So now we'll have to divide this section that comes before 3/4 into 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 1/6. Good. So now that we have identified 1/6, we're going to divide the other parts that comes after 3/4. So we have just one part that comes after 3/4. So we add the same stroke that we add on this side, we add it on the other side of the 3/4. Now we're going to start at 0 and count. So 0, 1. So our 1/6 is at 1. So we put equals 1. Now we're going to count all the strokes in all. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's look at our second problem. 3/4 of a half. 3/4 of a half equals. So first things first, we're going to sketch our number line. Then we're going to divide this number line into half, because we need to find 3/4 of the distance to 1/2. So this is 1/2, and this is 2/2, and we know 2/2 equals a whole, so therefore we can put 1 here. Now we're going to find 3/4 of the distance to a half. So we're going to divide this section before the half into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to identify 3/4. So 1/4, a quarter, 2/4, 3/4. Now we're going to divide this section the same amount of times we divided this section. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, we're going to start at 0 and count until we reach where we had marked the 3/4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to count all the strokes So starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as we can see, 3/4 of the distance to a half is 3/8, and we demonstrated that on our number line. Now, let's look at our third problem. A half times a quarter. Now, we have a half times a quarter. First things first, we're going to sketch our number line. And we're going to divide it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Then we're going to locate the quarter. So this is 1/4. Then we're going to find a half of the distance to this quarter. So a half would be right here. So this is, we know that this is 1/2. So the same amount of times we divide the section before the quarter, we have to divide the following sections. Hence, we're going to divide this section, and this section. Now, we are going to start from 0 and count to where we marked the half. So 0, 1. Next, we're going to count all of the strokes, starting at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hence, we have proved by using our number line that a half times a quarter is equal to 1/8. Now, let's look at our final problem. 2/3 times 9, or 2/3 of the distance to 9. 2/3 of 9 equals, first let's sketch our number line. Now we're going to divide our number line into 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have divided it into 9 equal parts. Next, we are going to find 2/3 of the distance to 9. Therefore, we have to divide this entire section that comes before 9 into 3 equal parts. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 1/3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 2/3. Good. So we needed to find 2/3 of the distance to 9. And here we have 2/3. So where we have 2/3, we have to look on the number line and see which number is beneath it. And as we can see, we have 6 beneath the 2/3. Therefore, 2/3 of the distance to 9 is 6. And our number line demonstrated this perfectly.